Hello, this is Justice Spectrum, and welcome to another video, and this is kind of another random video where I'll be showing off some, math patterns, I guess I noticed. So, we've got if, x equals y plus 1, then x squared plus y squared equals 2y squared plus 1. Alright, so, if you factor that, so basically what we're talking about is, basically this means that the next biggest like if you have a whole number, the next consecutive whole number, um, the square of the next consecutive whole number is a consecutive odd number larger. Now, let me show you what this means. Okay, so say we have, for example, the number 7. Let's say 7 is equal to y. So y plus 1 equals x, as I established. So 7 plus 1 equals 8. So what we have is 8 squared equals 49 plus 14 plus 1. So 49 plus 15 equals 64. So it works. Alright, so now let me show you the original pattern that I first noticed. Okay, so every square is, as I said, the previous square plus the next consecutive odd number. So we have 0 squared. There's no previous odd number, so you have 0 times 0 equals 0. And then you have 1 times 1 equals 1. So again, you're adding the number 1, which to 0, which is the first odd number. The next consecutive odd number would be 3 after 1. So you take the number 1 and add 3, and you get 4, which is 2 squared. And then the next consecutive number after that is 5. So add 5 to 4, and you get 9, which is 3 squared. And you can see this same pattern goes on all the way down to 10 and beyond. So just let me give you one last illustration that might help this make a little bit more sense. This is a fairly large portion, probably about 60%, 60 or 70% of my quarter collection. So this is in a square. There are 400 here, or $100 worth of quarters. So starting down here, you see there's 1, the square root of the square of 1, and then we have 4 here, the square of 2. So what you do is you add 2 times the original plus 1, or you add 3 to the one before that, and then you add again 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1, and it keeps going on like this, because each new square adds one line down like this, as you can see, and it goes like that all the way to that. And this can be useful, particularly, say, for the number 400, which I have here. So everybody knows that 20 times 20 equals 400, but what you might not know is that 21 times 21 equals 441. But that can be found out rather easily by just taking the square root of the square of 20, which is 20, of course, and you add 20 times 2, so all down this line is there's two 20s, and then you add the 1 that would be here, and so you add 40, or 20 plus 20 plus 1, which equals 41, to the original 400, and your total is 441. Well, anyways, though, that's just something I noticed, and here's the pattern again, just to let you know, show you again. And yeah, that's it, and I don't know, maybe this will help you with something, I don't know. Bye.